Using tabs is a great way to organize different content on the same page. Click where you want to add tabs, then the plus icon will appear on the left. Click the plus and select Tab section from the layout options. Click the Tab section and the Tab menu. The three dots will appear on the top left. Click the three dots to open the Tab menu. Here you can change tab titles, colors, add new tabs, or delete them. Try renaming a tab to Headphones. Click inside the tab, then click the plus icon to add a columns from the layout options. Click the Added Column and Columns menu. Three dots will appear on the top right. Click the three dots to open the tab menu. Use the split option to align the columns. For example, choose left split to align them to the left. In the left column, click the plus and add an image element from media. Click the image box or click image three dots on the right to add your image. In the right column, add text related to the image. Drag the text and change paragraph to heading 2 in the typography panel. Click the tab three dots on the left, then add a new tab on the right. Click New Tab. Click the tab three dots and rename the new tab. Do the same for the Earphones tab. Add columns. Split columns to left 2. Insert an image. Type descriptions and edit it. Finally, open the tab group three dots in the top right to change tab title colors. You can also adjust the alignment of the tab titles here. Just a heads up, choosing Delete Block here will delete the whole tab section.